wreath. This one's just got a dainty little white bow on it. We've got the polar bear on the big disc ornament, snowmen. Little mushrooms covered with ice and a nice green. Everything in Juniper Grove is going to have this very nice soft green, creamy whites, snow white. Very pretty and very nature. There's a wall art piece over here that says, "Let heaven and nature sing," and that kind of sums up Juniper Grove. That's what it feels like. Some of them we haven't gotten to yet include this little deer. And you see how he kind of seems like a cast, doesn't he? All white. And then he's got this embossed and raised design on him. And I just stuck him right around the antler. There we go. And then we have the little mushrooms sitting. These are little clip-ons. Look at that. Huh, cute. Pop it on. We've got the little candle lights. Again, remote on, remote off. The tags. Again, you're going to see the same cast look from the reindeer to the tag ornament. Very, very similar. Christmas tree farm. I went back and forth. This is wall art. Is that an ornament? I think it's a little bit of both. You could do either one with it. The chickadees are here. We do have some dried stems here, but one of the stems that's very different is this blueberry stem. And I like it. I like that it's natural. I like that it's berries. We're going to show you some more of the blueberries in just a second, but we have a few on the designer tree. The birch branches are here. The chickadee and the fox are here. But every season we change the bicycle. We put different things into the cart. And this is our third tree in Juniper Grove. We still have the mushrooms. We still have on the clip-on lights. We got these little bitty gnome ornaments. Aren't they cute? To fit on there. And then the blueberries are back. And there's just something about this tree having more blueberry stems that looks completely different than the first tree that we saw. The first one had the cream colored berries. This one with the blue, it just has a totally different feel. I'm really digging the blueberry vibe with Juniper Grove.